It's 3:50 a.m. I smell his fart from here. It's 4:30 a.m. This is what our spread looks like this morning. Gatorade, some homemade bread, bananas. This is chaotic. Okay. Okay, so let me try doing this over again. We have made it to parking. David drove the whole way. Thank you. And I slept.
Yep.
And I took a good poop too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Thank you.
No problem.
Now we need to get our bib. I'm totally walking. Bib bump. Are you excited for your 8 a.m. beer?
Into your roller coaster.
Don't need water.
Cheers to a beer at 7 a.m. That surprisingly tastes like beer. On the compost bin, I put some persimmon skins in there, eggs, and David just put in some wood sawdust from our shop vac. So all the wood shavings collect in this Home Depot bin bucket before it gets into the shop vac. It's kind of like, this is kind of like the filter for it, so that all the little sawdust pieces don't fill this up. It's just more of a cost-effective and more resourceful way of doing things too. And our little thing we built. It's so cute. Go play! It'd be a weekend trip if we didn't make a trip to Lowe's. To our mini bed. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, should we collapse it? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Just casually gonna fertilize my plants. You don't fertilize your plants in this attire, right? Pretty amazed. This tomato plant looks like it's completely dying, but there's still new tomatoes. I'm just taking off any dead leaves. And then there's this tomato plant, which looks so fruitful. There's so many leaves, but it's only producing one tomato. So you better be the most delicious tomato ever. So funny because I planted these two romaine nubs at the exact same time. Look at the condition of this little guy. Look at his big brother. Look at this. It keeps going. Green onions growing wildly as per usual. It's funny because I think when the gardener uses the leaf blower, I think these little guys aren't strong enough to stand on its own, so they kind of just tilt in the direction they were blown in. It's kind of funny. That's my little green garden. Look at this. With all the notches made. Wow, great job, dude. Whoa. This is like a bed big enough for me.
Almost.
The sun is setting and he is still working. We just got a call from Fiona that there's a bunch of free wood that we can take from a baby shower. We gladly accepted. Look how nice it's painted. Whoa. We don't know, the possibilities are endless. We have so much wood we can make stuff with now. Wow, this piece is ginormous, probably like 9 feet or something. Wow. So David did a little project here. What is that cut called?
French cleat?
French cleat. So that's at a 45. And then
This is a 45.
this is also at a 45. So it's supposed to hook into, we can't show it right now since there's a clamp on it. It's supposed to hook into that,
Like this.
and then that hang board is going to be attached onto,
This will be like this.
so it can be detachable.
Yep.
Because our issue was we didn't want this to be outside and during the elements, the weather conditions. So we wanted it to be easily to take off.
Yeah. So this will sit here,
Yep, fingerboard treated.
and then you can just remove
Nice work.
Yeah.
So we started woodworking at what time? 10 a.m. and it is 7:30 p.m. right now. Yes. That is a typical Sunday for us. Wow, thanks to David's long arm, it's like a selfie stick. But that is a weekend in our lives.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's not typical we run a race every week.
Oh yeah, we ran our race. That was fun.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to conclude... Oh wait, this way. I'm going to conclude the vlog here.